Hello dear friends, നമ്മൾ ഈ കഴിഞ്ഞ 23/7/2021 നടന്ന ജൂനിയർ ഹെൽത്ത് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടറുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസർ മാത്രമേ ഈ സെക്ഷനിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. പെട്ടെന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, പ്രൈമറി കർവ്സ് ഓഫ് വെർട്ടിബ്രൽ കോളം ആർ. Here the correct answer is thoracic and pelvic curve. So primary curves of vertebral column are thoracic and pelvic curve. Second question, venous drainage of heart is into, the correct answer is right atrium. So venous drainage of heart is into right atrium. Right atrium venous drainage varunathu. Third question, sphincter of OD is seen in, correct answer is duodenum. Sphincter of OD is seen in duodenum. Sphincter of OD കാണപ്പെടുന്നത് duodenumത്തിലാണ്. Next question, aldosterone increase the excretion of, correct answer is potassium. Aldosterone increase the excretion of potassium. Next question, amount of air remaining in the air passages and alveoli at the end of quiet expiration is, correct answer is functional residual capacity. Amount of air remaining in the air passages and alveoli at the end of quiet expiration is functional residual capacity. Next question, hormone which prevent synthesis or release of gonadotropin is, correct answer is melatonin. Hormone which prevents synthesis or release of gonadotropin is melatonin. Melatonin is a sleep inducing hormone. That is melatonin, sleep inducing hormone. Next question, immature RBCs are known as, correct answer reticulocytes. Immature RBCs are known as reticulocytes. Spermatozoa are produced in, correct answer seminiferous tubules. Spermatozoa produce in the seminiferous tubules. Next question, the true about external auditory meatus is, correct answer is outer 1/3 cartilaginous and inner 2/3 bony. So true about external auditory meatus, that is outside the ear, outer 1/3 cartilaginous and inner 2/3 bony. That is the true about external auditory meatus. Next question, taste buds are innervated by, correct answer taste buds are innervated by, correct answer 7, 9, 10 cranial nerves. Taste buds are innervated by 7, 9, 8 cranial nerves. The use of drug for curing diseases and relieving their symptom is concerned with therapeutics. The use of drug for curing diseases and relieving their symptoms is concerned with therapeutics. Oxidation of drug occurs mainly in the, correct answer liver. Oxidation of drug occurs mainly in the liver. Liverലാണ് സാധാരണ oxidation നടക്കുന്നത്. Next question, drug that reduce itching are called, here the correct answer antipruritics. Antipruritics are the drugs reduce itching. Alteration of a drug in a living organism is known as biotransformation. Alteration of a drug in a living organism is known as biotransformation. Other name metabolism. Biotransformation other metabolism, that is an alteration of drug in a living organism. All of the following drugs are example of drug inhibitors except, correct answer rifampicin. All of the following drugs are example of drug inhibitors except rifampicin. Next question, strain used for BCG vaccine, correct answer Danish 1331. Danish 1331 is the strain used for BCG vaccine. Next question, the proportion of clinical cases resulting in the severe clinical manifestation is called, correct answer virulence. The proportion of clinical cases resulting in the Severe clinical manifestation is called virulence. Who introduced antiseptic techniques in surgery? Correct answer, Joseph Lister. Joseph Lister introduced antiseptic techniques in surgery. The first case to come to the attention of the investigator, that is index case. Index case is the first case came to the attention of the investigator. That means hospital എത്തിപ്പെടുന്ന കേസാണ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് കേസ്, ഡയഗ്നോസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കേസ്. പക്ഷെ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ്, ആക്ച്വലി ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസിനെ പ്രൈമറി കേസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Disinfection of water by routine chlorination can be classified as. Correct answer, pre-current disinfection. Pre-current disinfection are the disinfection of water by routine chlorination. A person who has fallen from a height is suspected of spinal injury. The first aider should identify the following except. Here the correct answer is normal breathing. സോ ഒരു ആള് വളരെ ഉയരത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വീണ് സ്പൈനൽ കോഡ് ഇഞ്ചുറി സസ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്താണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് എയ്ഡർ എന്തൊക്കെ ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം? എക്സെപ്റ്റ് നോർമൽ ബ്രീത്തിങ് ഒരിക്കലും എക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യരുത്. അതിന് പകരം ട്വിസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ നോർമൽ കർവ് ഓഫ് സ്പൈൻ, അബ്നോർമൽ സെൻസേഷൻ, പെയിൻ ഇൻ നെക്ക് ഓർ ബാക്ക് ഓഫ് ദ ലെവൽ ഓഫ് ഇഞ്ചുറി. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. Helmich maneuver is performed in a victim to. Correct answer, dislodge object from the throat. International Day of Disabled is observed on. Correct answer, December 3rd. International Day of Disabled is observed on December 3rd. Next question. Yellow in the 4 color code triad system during disaster management indicates. Correct answer, medium priority. So yellow color code triad system medium priority ആണ്. Green എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സേഫ് സോൺ ആണ്. റെഡ് ഹൈ പ്രയോറിറ്റി ആണ്. Next question. A person who has bitten by a snake manifests excessive bleeding from bitten area, vomiting, expansion of eyelids and slow pulse. A first aider should suspect. Here the correct answer is viper bite. Viper bite ആണ് സസ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. കാരണം കടിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗത്ത് ബ്ലീഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ആൻഡ് വോമിറ്റിംഗ്, എക്സ്പാൻഷൻ ഓഫ് ഐലിഡ് ആൻഡ് സ്ലോ പൾസേറ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ സസ്പെക്ട് വൈപ്പർ ബൈറ്റ്. വൈപ്പർ അണലിയുടെ കടിയാണ് എന്ന് സംശയിക്കാം. Rehabilitation which includes restoration of family function and personal dignity and confidence. Correct answer, psychological rehabilitation. Rehabilitation which includes restoration of family function and personal dignity and confidence. It is psychosocial rehabilitation. Expand DALY, DALY. Here the correct answer is disability adjusted life years. Expand DALY, DALY, that is disability adjusted life years. Next question. The disaster mitigation and emergency prevention in health sector includes one among the following. Here the correct answer is prevent hazards or lessen the effect of emergencies. That is the correct answer. The main public safety aspect of water quality during rehabilitation phase of disaster. Microbial contamination. The main public safety aspect of water quality during rehabilitation phase of disaster, microbial contamination. Next question. Expand care, CARE. Expand care. Correct answer, cooperative for assistance and relief everywhere. So expand care. Care the full form ആണ് cooperative for assistance and relief everywhere. Next question. Object of open vial policy 2015. Here the correct answer is to reduce vaccine wastage. Object of open vial policy 2015 to reduce vaccine wastage. Next question. Which among the following disease is having longest incubation period? Correct answer, filaria. Which among the following disease is having longest incubation period? That is filaria. Next question, man mosquito man transmission is possible in? Correct answer, Japanese encephalitis. Man mosquito man transmission is possible in Japanese encephalitis. Which among the following rickettsia infection is not transmitted through arthropods? Q fever infection is not transmitted through arthropods. Which among the following is considered as familial disease? Correct answer, trachoma. Trachoma is considered as familial disease. Next question, foot pad culture used for? Correct answer, detecting drug resistance. Foot pad culture used for detecting drug resistance. Next question, which among the following statement is wrong? Correct answer, genital secretion and tears can spread HIV. That is wrong. So genital secretion tears HIV spread cheyilla. Next question, conventional net treated with insecticides and IRS is recommended for API 2 or more. Next question, which of the following vaccine is lastly introduced in India? Correct answer, MR vaccine. MR vaccine ആണ് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനമായിട്ട് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്. വാക്സിന്റെ പേരാണ് MR vaccine. Next question, which of the following concept is iceberg of disease? Correct answer, both A and B. That means physician sees symptomatic cases, physician does not see pre-symptomatic cases. Symptom ഉള്ള കേസുകൾ മാത്രമേ physician കാണുന്നുള്ളൂ. Next question, name the first country which took initiative to implement family planning program. India. So India is the first country which took initiative to implement family planning program. Next question, which among the following is not included in the 4 pillars of primary health care? Man-to-man participation. So which among the following is not included in the 4 pillars of primary health care? Man-to-man participation. ബാക്കിയുള്ള മൂന്നും കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേഷൻ, ഇന്റർസെക്ടോറൽ കോർഡിനേഷൻ, അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജി, ഇതൊക്കെ പ്രൈമറി ഹെൽത്ത് കെയറിന്റെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് പ്രൈമറി ഹെൽത്ത് കെയറിൽ വരുന്നതാണ്. Next question, name the local registrar for birth and death. Correct answer, secretary of Grama Panchayat. Name the local registrar for birth and death. The secretary of Grama Panchayat. Next question, set center is connected with which disease? Set center is connected with which disease? Correct answer, leprosy. Set center is connected with leprosy. Among the following, which is responsible for JHI to control TB? Correct answer, give presumptive treatment. So which among the following responsible of JHI to control TB? That is, give presumptive treatment. VPD stands for, correct answer, vaccine preventable diseases. VPD stands for vaccine preventable diseases. Which one of the following is not an authorized source of vital statistic? Correct answer, social survey. Social survey is not an authorized source of vital statistic. ഇതിന്റെ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ നമ്മൾ നേഴ്സ് ക്വീൻ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൽ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Next question, name the central government funded health insurance project launched in the year 2018. Correct answer, Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat is the central government funded health insurance project launched in the year 2018. Next question, there should be one primary health center for every dash population. So every 30,000 population in urban area, there should be one primary health center for every 30,000 population. Every 20,000 population in hilly, tribal or desert areas. Next question, among the following, which is the time limit for registration of birth and death? Correct answer is 21 days. Correct answer among the following, which is the time limit for registration of birth and death? That is 21 days. That is the correct answer. Next question, green bells is in industrial area comes under the category of? Correct answer, dilution. Green belts in industrial area comes under the category of dilution. Therapeutic measure in premature infants with hyperbilirubinemia is? Correct answer, daylight. Therapeutic measure in premature infants with hyperbilirubinemia is daylight. Next question. Wrong statement about noise. Correct answer, acceptable noise level in hospital ward is 40 to 60 decibel. That is wrong statement. Acceptable noise level wrong hospital ward is 40 to 60 decibel. That is wrong. Unit of absorbed dose of radiation. Correct answer, rad. Unit of absorbed dose of radiation, rad. Rad ആണ് unit of absorbed dose of radiation. Which one of the following is an inert waste material? Correct answer, industrial refuse. Industrial refuse is an inert waste material. Estimated number of E. coli in 1 gram of excreta. Correct answer, 1000 million. 1000 million ആണ് E. coli ആണ് 1 gram excreta ഉണ്ടാകാറുള്ളത്. Activated sludge process. Secondary treatment in modern sewage process. That is an activated sludge process. Secondary treatment in modern sewage process. Next question. Filarial parasite in Culex mosquito. Correct answer, psychodevelopmental biological transmission. Filarial parasite in Culex mosquito, psychodevelopmental biological transmission. Which one is a wrong statement? ഏതാണ് wrong statement എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? ഇതിൽ 4 ഓപ്ഷനിൽ സാൻഡ് ഫ്ലൈ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് റിലാപ്സിംഗ് ഫീവർ, അത് തെറ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ആണ്. സാൻഡ് ഫ്ലൈ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യില്ല, റിലാപ്സിംഗ് ഫീവർ അത് തെറ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ആണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വിച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ പ്രൊപ്പോർഷൻ ഈസ് എ rodenticide? Correct answer is 1 part of zinc phosphate with 10 parts of fluor. That is that is a rodenticide proportion. Which of the proportion is a rodenticide? Correct answer, 1 part of zinc phosphate with 10 parts of fluor. Purpose of communication. Correct answer is all of the above. That is information, propaganda, entertainment. Next question. A type of communication in which a receiver has the chance of asking questions and clearing doubts. Here, that is two-way communication. Here, receiver has the chance of asking questions and clearing doubts. Audience remains and passive in which method of health education? Correct answer, lecture. Lecture audience remains passive ആയിരിക്കും. Passive ആയിട്ടുള്ള learning ആണ് lecturing method. Next question. Method of health education in which learn by exchanging their views and experiences. Correct answer, group discussion. That is a method of health education in which learn by exchanging their views and experience. That is method of health education. That is group discussion. Group discussion ആണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, exchanging their views and experience എല്ലാം ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് ആ പേര് തന്നെയുണ്ട്, ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷൻ ആണ്. Next question. The type of communication in which users accepted form, rule or custom. Correct answer, formal communication. Formal communication in which users accepted form, rule or custom. Flow of information from the audience to the sender. Correct answer, feedback. So flow of information from the audience to the sender, feedback. Headquarter of International Union for Health Education is? Correct answer, Paris. Paris ആണ് headquarter of International Union for Health Education. That is Paris. This question. The people have a right and duty to participate individually and collectively in the planning and implementation of their health care is related to Alma Ata Declaration. Which of the following is not a cultural barrier to communication? Noise is not a cultural barrier to communication. That is an outside barrier, environmental barrier. Next question, theme World Health Day 2020. Correct answer here, support nurses and midwives. That is the theme of World Health Day 2020. Which of the following is not associated with the Panchayat Raj system in India? Correct answer, VKRV Rao Committee. So VKRV Rao Committee is not associated with the Panchayat Raj system in India. പിന്നെ അടുത്ത വരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുകൾ നമ്മൾ നേഴ്സ് ക്യൂൻ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും, ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഇപ്പോൾ എക്സാമിന് പോകുന്നവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി കൂടി അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്ത വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫോർ ദേവസ്വം എക്സാമിനേഷൻ. താങ്ക് യു.